Hello, my name is Dylan Hunter, and this is my MUX Reflection video on user experience and what we've learned this month. What I understand about UX now is that user experience is how the user feels when they're using your application. So the colors, the way things are laid out, everything affects how the user feels when they're working with your app. This also relates to the features used, the buttons, menus, how they navigate through the app. Everything reflects on how the user feels when they're using an app, and this is the user experience, the UX. UX matters because, like we've read a lot this month, and like you've said in all the readings, a user will know if they're going to want to use your app and delete it in less than 2 minutes or 90 seconds. So having a good app and a good UX will help users use your app and actually not delete it and actually like it. Figure out all the features on it, just everything to keep the user from continuing to use your app and choose it over all the other apps that like has been stated in this class, there's a lot of apps that are all the same on the app market today. So designing a better UX will help the users pick your app over anybody else's and continue to use it. The design for my apps now will definitely be heavier based on how the user feels, making sure all the functions are smooth, easy to use, as well as using similar layouts throughout all the pages, not just making a bunch of new features and random layouts on different pages. I'm going to keep it the same, keep the same colors, make it easy, make sure all the functions work perfectly before making an app. The criteria I will use to evaluate an app is based on the same things I just stated, so colors, the easiness to use. Don't want the user to get stuck or have to question how to get to something or how to do something. Everything should just be look at the app and the user should already know what to do next. What I've learned from looking at other UXs that we've looked at this month on other apps, they all use pretty much the same type of menu layouts, a lot of the same colors. They're all really easy to navigate. They look really sharp. Everything to keep the user inclined to continue to use their app. So everything with UX is dependent upon pretty much the easiness to use of the app as well as the aesthetics and how it looks. We've got to keep the user inclined to use it and want to continue to use it. What I've learned from reading Human Interfaces Guidelines on Apple's documentation, a lot of what I read on there is the same thing, maintaining the same kind of style throughout the whole app, as well as using the features that Apple provides to your advantage. So all the new features they have with like the 3D touch and their automatic landscape, things like that. Using those well with your app will make someone want to continue to use your app over anybody else's. So, with the new peekaboo feature in their documentation, you can click on an app and see like what new notifications are from just the home screen of your phone without having to open the app. Using things like that will definitely create a better UX and have a better chance of the users continuing to use your app and not deleting it. So that's my reflection on UX. Thank you.